Okay, so guys, we are discussing about robots and cobots. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, so I
Cyborg.
would like to, cyborg. Yes, I would like to share my screen as
Hello
we
friends, you
already.
can just read out
Yeah,
chat
yeah,
box.
sure. Yeah, you have write down in the chat box, right? So Tapan has already write down in the chat box about his view. Let me see what he write down. Okay, robot is the machine with program to do specific task. Most of time people assume that the machine which we had leg and look like a human is robot, but it's not like that. It's a factory also you will found robot which is doing work, so it's help us to produce a product more faster as per the public requirement. So nowadays this kind of things happening, the people are using robots specifically in China and Japan. They were utilize robot into their factory, in kind of car making factory or any kind of big factory. Now we enough discuss about the cyborg which is available in human. Now I would like to inform you about the cyborg that is related to the animal. I would like to share my screen and you will guys shock. Okay. So this is about the cyborg that is related to the animal. Okay. The weird word of cyborg animal is here. This is article of 2017. I just find out this article randomly. So we'll read out the light control dragon
Flies.
files. Okay, in January, R&D companies Dapper in the Howard Hughes Medical Institute announced the partnership. They are turning flies, the maintenance, the name of this flies. They are relying on approach called autogenetics. This is the approach based on this dragonfly's work, whereby the animal is genetically modified. The animal is genetically modified so that certain nervous features, light sensitive, ion channels. So just because of that, that flies continuously light giving light.
Can I explain that?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, actually, the thing is that these are the small insects, or and they are used by many scientists. What they do, they
Right,
apply the chip on their
right,
skin and on the back, and they do surgery of these kind of insects.
right,
And
right,
after that, they are programmed by the human, and they
right,
are programmed by remote control.
right,
They can run them according to themselves. They can fly whenever they want to fly it. They want to move them wherever they want to move them. Even many of the insects like
right,
cockroach are also used. It's the most useful insect. And do you know, they put the chip on their back, and they
right.
do surgery, and after they control it by the remote.
Right.
And there
And
are
you
other,
know
yeah.
yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Where this insect were used, these insect are mostly used in war, in kind of, the war between two countries across border to getting information that what kind of situation across the border in the next country.
Spy, yeah,
Yeah,
They
the
apply the
spy.
cameras, they
the
apply
spy,
the LED
yes.
lights.
Right.
All right, and that looks amazing. But
Amazing.
these things are not applied on human.
Right.
Many kind of experiments have been done on human, but this is absolutely illegal. That human cannot be
Right.
controlled by another human.
Right.
So this is the thing.
So this is the first insect which people are using. Okay, now moving to next. Anybody who wants to read out, I give chance to. mm, this is the next, the joyriding modes. Joyriding modes.
Okay.
Who wants to read?
Can I read?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So this is, I mean, this is Bokiat from Bangladesh.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going through this Joy riding moths.
Okay.
Compact chemical detectors able to detect trace elements of a substance continue to elude engineers, which is
Right.
why we still rely on dogs to sniff out things like drugs, bombs, and disaster victims. But man's best friend may soon face some stiff competition from moth controlled robotic cars. In the study, moths control their vehicles by moving their feet over what is effectively an upside down computer mouse trackball. When
Right.
the moths detected the scent of a scent of female moth sex pheromones, they attempted to walk towards the source, and the robotic cars were able to replicate their intended route. The researchers say in the future they should be able to genetically engineer the moth pilots to seek out other odors, such as those of explosive or drugs.
Right.
So this
Okay.
is amazing how we are doing this. I mean, how do people do this? We are
Right.
using different kind of insects, and we are using them for our own purpose.
Right. So, guys, this is about the kind of operation which was done. You know, external. Like any insect, they will modify something, genetically modify, and then they insert such kind of chemical into that insect, and then that insect insert in our body. You
Hmm.
know, it's kind of operational activity. Such kind of very small creatures, you know, they use this kind of creatures to enter into our body. The drug which we are inserting into that insect, that drug will illuminate at proper place. Okay, the
Hmm.
drug which illuminate at proper place, and the insect will die at the same place after illuminating that drug. Okay,
Okay.
after eliminating that drug, the insect will die inside our body, and it will come out through our, you know, routine process. So this kind of creatures are there that will help, you know, for such kind of positive impact. This such kind of positive things which is required, that this kind of positive things which we are using by this kind of cyborg, the animal cyborg. Would like to share one more thing. This is the
Or,
third one.
sorry to interrupt. I have one question regarding this activity.
Yeah,
I mean, uh, i- uh, researchers are able to, I mean, control their food habit.
of course. Of course. Researcher can do anything. I am one of the scientists and I know about this thing in detail. We were doing this kind of activity in, first of all, in the kind of the laboratory scale. Once we
Hmm.
finalize this thing, the laboratory scale is finalized properly, then we can
Hmm.
directly use this thing into human, healthy human, and then we will
Okay.
utilize this thing into the affected patient. So this is the
Hmm.
flow like currently we are discovering the vaccine. The same flow we are using to doing this kind of research. Okay,
Okay.
so now we moving toward the next cyborg animal. I will share my screen. I request Huang, please read this third.
The third one.
Yeah,
Thank you.
remote control
Remote,
box.
yeah, remote control box. What is that?
Bug, it means
There have
insect.
been,
Yeah.
uh, there have been multiple efforts to create remote controlled insects with
Right.
cockroaches. Oh,
Right.
that's afraid of this kind of insects. Taking the branch of our experiments, you can buy a robot roach kit for $150. that can be attached to the animal's back and allows you to control it by stimulating its antennas. What antennas?
Antenna.
Antennas,
Antenna.
like something
It's an antenna
Chemical. It's antenna
antenna.
and antenna.
Antenna. Okay, something to capture the wave, right?
that receive the
Yeah.
signal.
The signal. Okay, yeah. Scientists dissatisfied with that level of control stuck electrode electrodes. Oh my God, new
Electrodes.
one.
Right.
Electrodes into cockroach
Never.
nervous system for even greater precision. Oh,
Right.
nervous system. Oh,
Right.
really? Cockroach? They have nervous system
Yeah.
for some. For some, though, even that was not enough, and now researchers have directly wired up the leg muscles of giant beetles and developed sequences of electrical stimulation that allowed them to control the speed with which insects walk. Now, the next step is to independently control all six of the bug legs. Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
Interesting. So this is about the cockroach, and the next is magnetic
Beetle.
mind control means and
Mice.
interfered ships. Okay,
Mm,
these two and the cyborg plant. These three more features that is related to the cyborg plant, animal, and human. So this is all about the science. Now we have only 10 minutes remaining. I hope we need to restart this link because this is very interesting topic and people wants to discuss more and more, right? So if you guys are agree, we will restart this session after 8 minutes. And you guys want to continue, we can continue about this topic. What you say? Please raise your hand who wants to continue. Okay, Jamal, one.
Everyone is ready, right? You can share the link once again.
Eduardo, Fabi, yeah, three, four, five, six. I can say many people. That's enough. Enough for you, Shashiraj.
Not
Okay,
for me. Everybody
so
is here.
no, I
You,
think you will be the host
oh,
for the next meeting.
Just guys, give me 5 minutes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah,
I will return.
no problem, no
Okay,
problem. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Okay,
I
so
still
and
watching, but I will return. Okay,
yeah, yeah, no problem. Just mute your mic, no problem. Yes,
okay,
Salvatos, you
okay.
want to say something? Hello, Salvatos. Okay, so guys, this
these
is about
scientists,
the
yeah, these scientists they do work on nervous system. Even
right,
after applying all the research on the nervous system, they are able to control the entire
right,
insects. Means
right.
wherever they
So
want
this is
to move them, they can move and like yeah, just continue. Okay.
yeah. So this is about the human cyborg. We also discuss about the cyborg related to the animal. There is cyborg related to the plants also. You know, nowadays the genetic engineering, the advanced field is upcoming. The growing biotechnology and genetic engineering and biomedical engineering. These three are most advanced field where people are doing this kind of activity. Okay, so in this all three field, what the people are doing, they are playing with this genetics. I think many people here, they are not from science background. That's why very difficult to understand what is genomics. So genomics, it's kind of DNA and RNA. So the DNA and RNA, they will replace such kind of thing in the genetic modifications into plant or into animal or into human, and they will produce something that would be very useful. So this is also kind of cyborg. Yes, Anna, what you want to say? You raise your hand.
About human cyborg.
Yeah, right. Please
If
go ahead.
I just want to know if somebody become human cyber, can they touch the water? Because I think it's related to the electricity. Because
Yeah,
I think it's related to electricity.
but it what which part of your body part it's become a cyborg.
For
Suppose if you
example, the hand maybe
sorry.
the hand.
Yeah, suppose if your this hand is become a cyborg, so you can utilize the other hand, or maybe you can utilize the both hand with the water. You could not have the kind of shock. They people develop that kind of machine that is shock proof.
So they cannot touch the water.
They can touch water. This all cyborgs are kind of shock proof. You do
Okay.
not have to worry. The kind of metal which they are using, the kind of wire what they are using, they all are shock proof.
Okay. Okay.
And
Yeah,
Thank you.
check the expiry
yeah.
date also.
Yeah, of course. The expiry date is definitely there. Like I already mentioned in the beginning, the kind of pacemaker, the human heart, the replacement of human heart, the heart when heart is not functioning properly, we utilize this machine pacemaker. The kind of pacemaker it's depend upon different prices based on the duration. It's kind of 5 years, 10 years. If you utilize 5 years pacemaker, that can quite cheaper than 10 years. It will less the kind of that. Yes, Santosh. Yeah, yes, Santosh. You want to say something? We have
No, no, I'm sorry, by mistake it happened. No?
no problem. We have Viraj. Hello, Viraj. Can you hear me? Hello, Viraj. I think many people I could not ask
Yes,
anything.
yes, I can hear.
Yeah, what you want to say about this topic? Viraj, then Hussein. We have 4 minutes. Then we'll restart.
The tel-
Yes,
I can't see
Hussein.
this. I can't see the screen.
No problem. You want to say something about the topic? The screen is already shared. Now no more screen sharing. But you want to say something about this topic, the cyborg and robots?
Actually, I don't know
Do you
a
know?
lot of the
Ro-
cyber.
ro-
No
Yes,
idea.
Hussein. Wait for a minute. Yes, Viraj.
I have no idea at the cyber. I don't know
Okay.
at the good knowledge for that.
Okay.
But
Which group you are from? English globally?
English global, yeah.
One, two, or three?
I'm joined at two.
Okay, so I provide information about today's topic in video, in article, and you can read out that article. That would help you to understand. Okay.
Right, okay, I will read it because
Yeah.
of just now I'm joined that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I didn't receive the any message for this earlier.
Okay. So let me explain you once again. The robot it's automatically machine, and
Right,
cyborgs are in the kind of human and machine together. Okay.
right.
Or you can say cyborg are human
Combination
or
of
machine,
human and
and
machine.
combination of human and machine, combination of animal and machine, combination of insect and machine. Okay, so this is
Yeah,
called cyborg. Yes, Hussein, it's your turn. You have 2 minutes, then we'll
Yes,
restart.
I would like to talk about the robot. Do you know a robot a kind of machine which work according to the programming and which
Right,
work like human. So
right,
if you give a kind of programming to go straight, the robot will go straight. If you fix for a work, so the robot will work according to your wish. In many factories and companies, robot is working as like machine. They decrease the capacity of human. We are the human is in danger. They are using in company.
right. Thank you. So, guys, I will share the link once again. Sorry, few of you people could not able to join on the same link because I could not get the notification somehow. But we'll restart the session. we have enough knowledge now. Anybody, you have any question, you can ask, or otherwise, we will ask you the question related to the same topic. The last session for this topic, 40 minutes, it will go on after this session. Okay. Thank you guys. Please
Okay.
rejoin. I will share the link once again.
I also want to give one information that I'm recording this video, and after recording, I would upload on YouTube. I would share the link of YouTube, and you can watch yourself, you can listen yourself, and you can check yourself that how you speak and what kind of improvement you require. So these are the
Great.
things very important, because listening yourself is a good thing for you. It would be good for you
Right.
for practicing, for
Right.
understanding, right? So this is all about.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all guys, and hope you see you again.